And so for me, probably the moment I really fell in love with programming was Lisp and writing like Othello programs and chess engines, all kinds of engines that play a game, and then I could play against that thing, and that thing would beat me. The joy of being destroyed by the thing you've created, and Game of Life too, Cellular Automata. That's when I built that. All kinds of programming languages. That's less about programming languages and more about the system you create, and that just filled me with infinite joy. Having now similar to the linked list situation, creating a system where each individual cell only knows about its neighbors and operates in a very simple rules. But when you take that system as a whole and allow it to evolve over time, you can create infinite complexity. So I just, man, those are many pothead moments where I'm just like looking at the beautiful complexity that can be created with cellular automata. That filled me with just infinite joy for sure. But yeah, all I remember is parentheses. So my first memories of my first are drowned in a sea of parentheses.